Welcome to this short video about why the Mrdcl hub and scripting language can revolutionise your data analysis. There are an ever-increasing number of software systems that can produce cross tabulations, but most have serious weaknesses. The older ones like Quantum, Merlin and Uncl lack sufficient automation tools and fail to meet modern DP needs, whilst most modern platforms are limited and do not have the power you need for all the variables and analysis. Additionally, they are often inefficient for repetitive needs or changing tracking study questionnaires. Mrdcl is the answer. For automation, connectivity and power, nothing matches Mrdcl. Let's take an example where we get from an SPSS file to crosstabs in a couple of minutes, putting in some additional custom controls. So let's start importing this SAV file from SPSS. I'm going to use the running using CSV option, so that when I pick the SAV file, it's going to give me a list of all the variables that are in the file. I can ignore some of those variables, and you can see things like question 5, where I'm going to put together 9 different variables into one multivariable in Mrdcl so that it's easy to handle. Similarly, question 6, I'm now going to actually go through the import. It automatically generates me an Mrdcl script so that I could just run this now and produce tables by the total column. But we'll do a bit more than that before we do that. You can see here I've got some efficient Mrdcl script that handles repetitive code. So if I want to put in things like a top 2 box, I can just grab that code there, replace the code that I put before and paste it in, or of course I would normally type it. And things like banners are very easy to implement as well. So here I've got some code that will give me a banner by some of the demographics. Again, I'm going to paste it in. Ordinarily, you would type that in. I can then run those tables and view them. So there's the tables as a text file. Just in seconds from SPSS, I've now got tables by gender, age and region. Or of course, I can view them in a spreadsheet here with a little chart coming out next to it. And I can also control what that chart looks like. So very quick to get from SPSS through to my tables. Now, if I want to, I can also run a batch file. So I might want to run these tables for all regions and then one report for North, another for Central, another for South. So I'm running that now, and I've got a report for each of those regions automatically. And there you could see the North results. Of course, you can automatically export to many formats for client databases, charts or dashboard. Mrdcl will allow you to build any variable or tabulation you need without fuss. Percentages, stats options, significance testing, they're all included. Contact us now by reaching out to Nikki Sunga at mrdcsoftware.com or go to our website www.mrdcsoftware.com. Get what you want from your data processing.